Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to cancel an order on Temu. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So to cancel an order on Temu, follow this step-by-step guide. So the first thing to do is to open the Temu app or go to the website, which is the Temu website. Then from there, you have to tap on your order, then select the order you want to cancel. Then after that, tap on cancel order and choose a reason for cancellation. Then confirm that. Then here's an important notice: after you confirm your cancellation, you can only cancel an order before it ships. So once your order has been processed and been shipped, you can cancel it again. And also, if the order has been already shipped, you will need to wait for delivery and then request a return. Then after that, refund for cancelled orders are typically processed within a few days, and that's how you can simply cancel your order on Temu. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.